Back, yeah, we back. Got the wheel on that bad boy. Finna bolt it down. Get off the drag stand. Get on the ground. And pop it. That nigga was over exaggerating the hell out of that shit. That nigga said, that shit gonna be heavy, bro. We ain't gonna be able to push that shit up. What? I don't know what you're bleeding from. That shit just got sharp shits around there. One thing about working on cars, be aware of sharp objects.
That's why when I was watching Matthew, when they was
Yeah, I watched that video.
that nigga was shaving all the sharp points on the car.
Yeah.
Hitting everything with the grind.
Are you trying to move fast?
Fucking up, bro.
Motherfucker slice and dice your ass.
Good or what?
Yeah. Did the shit fall in?
Come see what the time is, Ain't that a little too much play? Ain't that a lot of play with? Well, that's over. Y'all want to see what happened? Just what happened. I think there's some weird stuff in the inside that bar.
It pushed the shit out the middle shit.
What is that?
This?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
This it right there, and then it's supposed to go in right. Boop. But it's supposed to be all the way in now. I get the drift. But we got these OEM ones.
Yep. That's why that nigga don't be wanting to use aftermarket parts. Cause do these OEM ones look like? Yeah, they do. They do. Them hoes ain't even broke. Them hoes just, the shit just slid off.
Yeah.
I'm down train. I have to do all that.
Alright. No. It's over with.
That shit was loosey-goosey too.
Loose. Now, why did this come off?
Came out them stupid whack ass connectors. I'm about to start bamming them hoes with a hammer.
I have 3 star tests. You have 2 star tests. So you only have math and science. I mean math and reading. Math, science, and so 3, you got 2. But it should be easy because math is
Say now, easy. Easy work for him, man. Nigga say it should be real easy for us. Don't even worry about that shit, little homie. Shit should be easy work.
He did say that shit. I got them big ass.
You ain't got no.
Sometimes what the was that?
I don't know.
Well, you can't never remember.
You the one can't remember your shit. You set that shit down. Gonna ask me what you did with it. How the hell I'm supposed to know? What's wrong with him, y'all? Look at his ass. Long walk of shame. Oh shit. shit sound weird. Shit don't sound weird to you? Don't sound weird to you? Don't sound right to me. I don't know what's going on, but some sound a little funky on that hoe. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. Well, when he get back, I'll turn the camera back.